Hello everyone, this is Mohit Soni, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate my project that is Kart. Okay, so the project is written in Django, Python. So Django is basically a framework in Python through which we can develop websites. The main purpose of Django is web development. Okay, so what is Kart? Let's assume you want to buy a Moto G5 Plus. Okay, so what you will do is you will search it on Flipkart, you will search it on Amazon, and also Snapdeal, maybe depending upon you. Okay, so you will compare all the prices from each website. Okay, and you will compare the price and get the best deal. Okay, so to solve this problem, Kart comes into picture. So what Kart does is, whenever you search Moto G5 Plus on Kart, it will display the prices of that product from all the websites. The from all the websites I mean Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal. So on one single page you can have the prices of that product from all the websites, and you can compare easily from one single page. Yes, from one single page you can compare all the prices from different sellers and grab the best deal. So it will be a whole new shopping experience for you. So that is great. Okay, that is great. That's the specialty of Kart. So so to give an overview of Kart has following apps like accounts, which handles all the login, logout, registration related information, buyer who orders something, and buyer. Okay, and what card is, basically whenever a user likes a product, he usually adds a product to his cart. So cart will display all the liked product by that particular user, and media folder, all the image.jpg, whatever the image extension may be, it will be stored in this folder, and orders handle all the ordered product from any user. Okay, and seller. So Kart also has a feature called seller. So in Kart you can also sell your own product. Okay, so whenever another user searches for that product that you have uploaded in selling, he will get your username, your contact information, through which he can contact you and buy the product. Okay, so that was the overview. So without wasting any time, let's hit the server up. So as you can see, the server is running. Let's open a browser and type the address. So this is the homepage of Kart. It is very simple. Okay, so here's the brand name Kart, and login button and registration button. Okay, so let's register a new user. Okay, before registering a new user, let's have a look at admin page. Okay, admin page of this project. So this is the admin page of this project. So what admin is? Django administration is something through which admin can manage the whole website. Yes, by whole I mean completely. Okay, so admin can delete a user, can destroy a user, can destroy a user's product. Anything admin can do if he wants to maintain his website. Okay, so let's log in. So let's see all the registered users. Okay, so as you can see, admin is a user who is the admin of Kart, Amit, and all these users are registered. Okay, so let's delete this new user, or let's say add a new user. Okay, let the name be Mohit Soni. To cross verify that the username doesn't exist already, we'll type the same username which is already registered. Okay, let's say Mohit underscore Soni 87. So now this username is already existing. Okay, and we'll type the email address. And now this email ID is also existing. Okay, so to show you how my website cross verifies all the fields. Okay, I'm placing the same username. Okay, let the password be 1212 and the mobile number be 976 10 digits. Okay, so let's try to okay, now to register we have to log out from this admin website, because admin is also a user and it's already logged in, so we cannot have multiple users using the same website from one browser. Okay, so let's log out from here and register it from here. Oh, see the same problem because during the filling of this form, admin was already logged in. Okay, so we'll go back and register it again. Now it shows that email ID already exists. As I told you before that this email ID is already registered. So let's try 871. Now this is a fresh email ID. Let the password be 12345 123. Oh, I thought. So yeah, the username already exists. As I told you before that Mohit underscore Sony 87 is already a registered user. So let's change the username to 871. Now this is a fresh user. Okay, let the password be again 12345 12345 Now I'm mistyping my password purposely, okay, so that to show you that my website also cross verifies the password. Okay, we'll hit the register button and it shows that password must match. Okay, so that is the cross verification of all the things. So let's type the same password now, 12345 12345. Okay, so we'll hit the register button and boom, our new user is created, and and he's been redirected to our website Go-Kart with a search bar, and cart and selling new functions have been created. Okay, so to show you that this user has been saved in our database, we'll log out from here and log in again from here admin, so that admin can see all the users. Okay, so we'll hit the user button and you can see that 871 is the new user and 87 was the old user. Okay, we'll see the details of 871. So as you can see, the username is 871 and the password is in the form of hash. Okay, the first name is Mohit, second last name is Mohit Sony, and email address is as follows. Okay, so this is the Django page, Django username page of all the registered users. Okay, so that is how a new user is saved. Okay, so we'll log out from here and log in again here from Mohit871 with password 12345. Okay, let's log in. Okay, so Mohit underscore Sony has been redirected to the database of Go-Kart. Okay, so and it also, this button also shows the username of the active user. Okay, active and logged in user. Okay, so so this user hasn't searched for any product in Go-Kart, so his cart and selling cart must be empty, right? So let's click on cart. So it shows that seems like your cart is empty. And selling cart is something like whenever you want to sell a product, you use this form. This is the form for selling a product. This I will show you later. So whenever you hit the submit button, it will be saved in the selling cart. So now we haven't sell in anything. Okay, so we'll click to selling cart and it shows that seems like your selling cart is empty. Okay, so that is all. That is the cart button and selling button. So now we'll search for a product. So now I want to tell you something about the search bar. Okay, the search bar is very powerful. With this search bar, you can search a product with its product name, its category, its seller name, whatever it may be. This search bar will show you the results. Okay, so let me show you this, how powerful this search bar is. Okay, let's type FIFA 18. Okay, so it will show you all the possible outcomes of FIFA 18. So as you can see, the FIFA 18 results for FIFA 18, the price is 3699, the company is EA Sports, and the seller is Flipkart. Okay, and again the price of FIFA 18 is 3799, but the seller is Mohit Sony 87. Okay, and so as I told you before that it shows the results of the same product from all the sellers. Okay, so from these two things you can say that this is the best deal, I should go for it. FIFA 18 from Flipkart, isn't it amazing? So let's add it to the cart. Okay, so whenever you add to the cart, the URL changes and it redirects you to the cart name with the username and adding item. Okay, so this is all the items in cart. Okay, so let's say you want to shop for more few things. Okay, so let's go for shoes. Okay, shoes. So all the shoes with category, all the products with category shoes have been displayed. Okay, so let's say say this thing. If you want to buy this shoe, okay, you will search it in the search bar and the results of it will appear. Okay, so you can search this product from the company name, from the seller name, as well as from the product name itself. Okay, so as you can see, now also Amazon is selling it for a expensive price. Okay, so you'll go again for Flipkart. Okay, so we'll add to cart, and the same thing we can search it by a company name. All the products related to Adidas will appear here. See, the company name as Adidas, the company name as Adidas. Let's search for Flipkart, what the seller Flipkart has to offer us. Okay, so now whatever the products you will see here will be from the seller Flipkart, nothing than Flipkart will appear here. Okay, so you can see the seller is Flipkart, the seller is Flipkart, the Moto G5s, the seller is Flipkart, laptop Alienware, the seller is Flipkart, like that. Okay, so that is all related to searching the query. You can also search for categories, seller name, and all that stuff. Okay, so I think I like this t-shirt, I should add it to my cart. Okay, so when I add it to my cart, all the three things appear here which recently I have added. Okay, so let's say I want to purchase FIFA 18 from Flipkart. So when I click the buy button, it will automatically redirect to me with Flipkart with the same query you entered in GoKart's search bar. Okay, without violating your query, GoKart redirects you to Flipkart with the same price. Okay, so you can get your best deal. Okay, so that's the main function of GoKart. Okay, so let's say I don't want to buy FIFA 18, I want to remove it from my cart. So I'll hit the trash button. So when you hit the trash button, the item disappears. Okay, the item is no longer available. Okay, so let's say you want to remove this t-shirt also. I don't like this t-shirt, I don't like this guy. Okay, so I remove it from my cart. So I want to buy this product. Okay, so I'll hit the buy button, and when you observe carefully, you will notice that this all the queries are same. Okay, but the product name has space between it. Okay, so that space is replaced by %20. So that I have implemented using JavaScript and HTML. Okay, so this all the shoes related to this product name will appear over here. So if you notice carefully that this is your shoe with a different color. Okay, with this might be Flipkart might have changed it. Okay, so this is the shoe related thing, and let's search for gaming. Okay, gaming category. So all the things related to gaming will be appeared. Okay, so the gaming, this is a input, this is a hidden type input. Okay, it doesn't show category because I haven't implemented it, and I don't want to do also because category gaming seems to a little bit weird. Okay, so as you can see, Flipkart is offering FIFA 17 at 989, whereas Amazon is offering at 2998. And if you notice carefully, all the items have been sorted according in the increasing order. Okay, see, if you notice, this is 1989, this is 2998, and this is 2999. Okay, and this is Xbox One. Because we searched for gaming, Xbox is also in the gaming category. Okay, so if you notice carefully, it has a price of 30,000. So all the prices have been sorted in the increasing order so that it becomes easy for you to select the best deal. Okay, so I want to buy Flipkart, so without adding it to the cart, I will click the hit button and it will redirect to Flipkart with FIFA 17. Let's say I want to buy it from Amazon, so I'll hit the hit button of Amazon, and you can see this all the links have been implemented in GoKart with very much care. Okay, the query of the user mustn't be violated. Okay, so you can see FIFA 17 is at the price 2998, and here's also the price is 2998. So it's the best deal, I want to go for it, so you can buy it from Amazon. Okay, so what about the users who are selling it on GoKart itself? What about them? Let's say FIFA 18, and I want to buy from this seller Mohit Soni 87, which is like a local user, okay, which is a local user who wants to sell his item on Go-Kart. So what do I do? So when I add it to my cart, it goes to my cart, and when I click the hit button, buy button, it will wait a second, add to my cart. Okay, so this is the product sold by Mohit Soni 87, and when I click buy, it will show me FIFA 18. Sorry for stopping. There was some bug because as I was testing my website. I wrote document dot write the product name, so that's why it didn't redirect me to the orders page. So that's why it displayed FIFA 18. So now I fixed the bug. So let's add it to the cart, and let's hit the buy button. Okay, when you hit the buy button, sorry for the stoppage again. Where were we? Yeah, we were buying FIFA 18 from Mohit underscore Sony 87. So let's edit to cart. Okay, so when we add to the cards gets reflected and FIFA 18 appears here. And when we hit the buy button, what it does is it saves this particular product in our orders app, which I showed you before. Okay, so here are your orders. Okay, so this is the order from seller Mohit Soni, and if you want to cancel your order, you can hit the red button, that is cancel. So this goes from your orders page. Okay, and it shows a message like seems like you haven't ordered anything yet. Okay, so that is our orders page. Okay, and you can just search bar, I'm telling you, this is very powerful. You can search anything from it. Okay, let's go for Xbox, let's go for Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft related products. Okay, so the Microsoft related product is Xbox One. I'll buy this product from Flipkart. So when I hit the buy button, it redirects me to the Flipkart with the same space included. Okay, so that's the specialty of Go-Kart. So you can buy it from here if you want. Okay, so that was everything related to the search bar. Okay, now let's go for a sell button. Okay, so note the username, it's Mohit Soni 87871. Okay, so I want to sell a product. Okay, so let's assume I want to sell a speaker. Okay, so the category of speaker will be electronics. Okay, and the product name will be wait, I have a product which I have to sell, so I can get the exact product name. So this is the product name of my speaker, and the company name is Philips. The price is 1499, and I have to select a image, or else another user can see the image of my product. Okay, when I hit the submit button, so this is my selling cart, and this is my product. Okay, so the product has an image, the name, and its selling price. Okay, so this is my selling cart. Okay, so whenever I hit the selling cart button, it shows me this page. So let's assume that I want to remove this product from my let's open a new browser, and let's log in from another user and check whether if this product is available or not. So I'll open Mozilla Firefox 192.168.43.226. So this is the new user will be logged in. So as you all know that multiple users can log in into the same systems, but from different browsers. Okay, so let's log in from Karthik. I'm not sure about the username. I must have 12345. Yeah, the password is correct. So Karthik has been logged in. Okay, so what did Mohit underscore Sony 871 sell? He sold a Philips speaker. Okay, so I'll go for Philips company, all products related to Philips. So yeah, here you go, all the products related to Philips appear here, and as you can see, the seller is this. Okay, so this is the selling thing on Go-Kart. Now one more thing I have to show you. If Mohit underscore Sony 871 doesn't want to sell this product, he can delete it by clicking the trash button. Okay, so this product will be deleted from our site. Okay, So by this thing our selling cart goes empty. Okay, so and what else do I have to show? Yeah, I showed you the cart thing. When I hit the trash button, the cart goes empty. Seems like your cart is empty, and orders is over, selling cart is over. And let's first search for another product. Gaming, add to cart. Yeah, I guess everything is over now. So with this, this is my project Go Kart. Thanks for watching such a long video. I know it was such a long video and it was boring, but thank you anyway. This was my product. Yeah, one more thing to show the verification of the product. Let's now my user is logged in, Mohit underscore 871. He is now logged in. Okay, so whenever I copy this link and I paste it to this another tab, it will show the result. Okay, now what if Mohit underscore 871 logs out? When I hit the logout button, the user has been logged out. Okay, now but what if I refresh this link? What will happen? So when I hit the refresh button, it will redirect me to the home page. This link, this thing shows that the user must be logged in to get the result of this query, gaming query. The user cannot get any user cannot get the result of gaming without logging in. Okay, so you have to log in to see the results of gaming. Okay, so we'll copy the link again and we'll log in again and paste the same link again. Okay, so this is the thing. Yeah, one more thing I have to show. Let's log in from admin. Okay, and one more thing, every user has its own content, has its own cart, has its own selling item. So now I will demonstrate it to you. Let's see the cart of admin. So admin has FIFA 17 in its cart, and in this another browser, Karthik 11 has 1+5 in his cart. Okay, so as you can see, everything is different for every user depending upon this username. This URL redirects you to another database depending upon your username. The thing I want to tell is no common database has been shared. Okay, every user has its own database, has its own cart item, has its own selling items. Okay, so let's say I want to add Xbox to my cart. So admin has Xbox One and FIFA 17 in his cart, and on the other way around, Karthik 11 has 1+5 in his cart. So when I refresh the page, nothing changes. Okay, because Karthik has its own database and admin has its own database. When I delete here and hit the cart button, it seems like your cart is empty, but in admin page it doesn't show like that. So I want to show that the every user has its own database. Same goes with the selling cart, same goes with the order. Okay, so let's say I want to buy FIFA 17 from seller Mohit Soni. Okay, so it redirects me to my orders page, and my order is Mohit FIFA 17. Okay, on the other hand, Karthik has nothing in his ordered page. Okay, so why not buy something for Karthik? Let's go for Mohit underscore Sony 87. That is the name of the seller. Okay, so Mohit underscore so we added FIFA 17 from Mohit underscore Sony 87. Now we'll add FIFA 17 from Mohit underscore Sony 87. Okay, so when I buy the product, the orders from Karthik is FIFA 18 from seller Mohit Sony 87, and the order for admin is FIFA 17. So as you can see, all the products are different. The database are completely well developed. Every user has its own database, so no common data is shared. Okay, so when I cancel, the product goes away. Seems like you haven't ordered anything yet. So that was all related to selling cart, and that was all related to Go Kart. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching the video.